Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 326 Canyon. This particular boat is powered by twin Yamaha 300 horsepower helm master. So we enter the boat. Here in the back you'll see a very large fish box, freshwater sprayer, and live well on the transom. It does have a down bench seat and a sure shade coming off the hardtop. It has an additional live well here at the helm, tackle storage, very spacious drawers that are lockable, and a sink option. Also here in the cockpit, you have an opening door. So we make our way forward. This is going to have the 3-row seats with the flip-up bolsters, helm master control with set point, digital throttle and shift, the Yamaha digital gauge, trim tabs with indicator, Fusion stereo. We make our way here in the console. You'll see a very spacious console, head, sink, pull-out shower, rod storage. Coming forward of the helm, you'll see a very large seat. Also full bow cushions up front. Double-A backrest. And up in the bow, windlass anchor. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 326 Canyon. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.